I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona, and we are having a pretty good apple year. We have a lot of apples to pick. So how do we make fruit picking easier? Well, for starts, a picking bag. This is a wonderful tool. Makes things so much easier you wouldn't believe. So how does a picking bag work? Well, you can see it has no bottom in it. Now, might make the picking easier, but what are you going to do with them then, right? Okay, so how this works, it's got shoulder straps, goes up like this on your shoulders, and then this, the bottom, folds up, and you can see there's rope with knots. So what you do is you fold it up and you go to the first knot, and as you pick the fruit you place them into the bag. The reason for that is a lot of fruit bruises easily, and if you start dropping fruit on top of fruit you can cause a lot of damage. Well, you know, if it's something like an apple or a pear that you intend to refrigerate for months or whatever, it needs to be pretty much blemish free, and that includes bruises. Things like peaches, you know, they're pretty soft, and dropping them on each other you'll wind up with jelly before you get to the kitchen. So this is how the bag works. You fold the bottom, you hook it, and this brings the bottom up close where it's within reach. As the bag fills, you can go down to the next knot. You can make the bag 6-8 inches deeper and continue to pick until you're done. So we're picking apples today, but this works for everything. Jujubes, plums, you name it. So we come in here to pick apples and we just place them right into the bag. This keeps both hands free to pick apples, greatly speeding up the entire process. So we've gone ahead and filled this bag. Now it's time to dump it. So here's another way that this bag helps to maintain your fruit quality. You unhook it there, loosen the knots up, and you put it over your box. Put it to the bottom and then gently lift. And what this does is this lays them in the box gently, again avoiding bruises and things like that. So this simple tool not only makes picking the fruit a whole lot easier, it goes a long ways towards preserving the quality of the fruit. Quality of fruit has everything to do with how well it keeps. So that is the picking bag. Now, I would like to mention one other picking bag when you go online, because this is how I found mine. I did a search on Orchard Supply, and I found that there's a lot more over the shoulder, one shoulder deep picking bags. Don't confuse those with these, because the other type is a citrus picking bag, and citrus withstands much rougher handling, and you'll find that citrus bag, other than freeing up both of your hands, doesn't do a thing for your fruit quality. So this is the type you want for peaches, plums, apples, pears. I even use it to pick green beans.